Hello lovelies, I hope you're having a fabulous day. Now as you can tell, I am not in London and I am not in the UK. And that is because I am in St Lucia. I'm here for the media launch of the Jazz and Arts Festival, which is a huge yearly festival in the Caribbean celebrating all things music. There's amazing headline acts. I think last year was John Legend, so really big deal. Before that, I figured I would take you along with me to tour the island, see some things to get up to, and yeah, just enjoy the island together. With that said, let's go explore St Lucia. Okay, so I made it to Gatwick and about to take a British Airways flight to St. Lucia. It's about 9 hours, so I've got my books. I'm used to flying through the US, so I think I'll be all right with the time, but it is a long time, 9 hours. Yeah, but got my books, gonna get some Joe and Juice, shows downloaded, movies downloaded, so good to go. See you in St. Lucia.
Language was a barrier to learning English.
Okay.
Okay, so they speak.
I love the language.
They would drink it themselves.
First views, just got here and this is the first thing we're seeing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Nice. Thank you so much.
Alright, everybody. What's up?
Okay, so now I've just arrived at the resort. It's about an hour drive from the airport and we stopped for some lovely St. Lucian bread on the way, which was just a fabulous introduction to this island. I am so excited to be here. I'm going to show you the room. I'm staying at the Secrets Resort St. Lucia. It's an all-inclusive food, dining, drinks, basically everything. It's really, really lovely so far from everything I've seen, but I'm going to give you a room tour. So let's start here. Okay, so as soon as you come in, you've got your lovely little sitting area. And then to the right, typical tea and coffee bits and a fridge that is well stocked, part of staying in an all-inclusive place. And then my friend's partner, his dad is from St. Lucia, and so she asked if I can bring back some of this beer, which I'm seeing for the first time, Piton beer. So that'll be really nice to try. Love a local beer, especially coming from the UK. Robe, closet, given island vibes, and I cannot wait to show you the outside. But then you have your loo, I think a toilet back there, shower, and hello. And then let's go to the bedroom. Really lovely. Now the part I am most excited for. The balcony, and I'm here for the Jazz and Arts Festival as well, so hearing the jazz music is just the cherry on top. But oh my goodness, look at this. If this is not paradise, I don't know what is. I do not know what is. Given it's the first day, especially after such a long day, today's agenda is just chill, 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 and chill. So that is what I'm gonna do. Gonna get some sleep and then wake up for dinner later. So you can book, I think there's only one restaurant on site that requires a reservation. It's a hibachi place. So we're gonna go there, but I think the rest of them you don't need to book. You can just go. I'm glad it'll get me out of the hotel because I am someone that just enjoys a property, and I could easily just see myself spending the first night just laying here and looking out at the sun, which is a very good agenda if you ask me. But no, I think it'll be good to get up again after my nap, get dressed, and then go have a lovely dinner. So I'll do that, and then I'll check in with you tomorrow. So it is the next day, and we're going to go on a Segway tour for our first day in St. Lucia, first proper day at least. But first going to have some St. Lucian breakfast. So we've got the omelette, local hot sauce, some saltfish. St. Lucia is known for their saltfish, so very excited for that. Plantains, meat, and St. Lucian bread, and this beautiful, beautiful view. So we're starting with a local tour.
Right now, we all see the independent country, the beautiful island called St Lucia.
We're gonna walk around, learn a little bit about the local history in St Lucia. Yeah, really excited. Okay, so just found a beautiful dress at the market. Going to get that, and then I think we're going to go to lunch. Something to note in St. Lucia is the rain will start, and it'll go away, but it is here to stay for a little bit. Island life for you. Okay, so we have just finished our tour around the center. It was such an experience. So cool seeing all the little shops and the library, the town square, and just learning more about St. Lucian independence as well and what that journey has been like. So yeah, really cool. And now we're off to lunch, a little local St. Lucian lunch. So really, really excited because island food is just chef's kiss. So let's go eat. Where we're gonna eat. Wow.
For the fish and curry.
Thank you. So we're at the Thirsty Parrot. It is a local St. Lucian restaurant right on the beach and right next to Pigeon Island as well, which I think we'll be seeing after. So I'm going to walk you through this plate because I feel like so much of St. Lucia is perfectly captured through its food. So let's look. So on the plate here, we've got some fish, a little bit of salad, plantains, of course, lasagna, some rice, little skewer, and the breadfish. Is it called breadfish? Breadfruit. The breadfruit, which I'm very excited to try. Alright, so we've reached Pigeon Island, which is actually right next to the restaurant, so very convenient of a walk. It's a national landmark. There's a beach here, ruins, a vantage point. Basically you can't miss when you're in St. Lucia, so going to have a walk around and see what we discover on Pigeon Island. So they just pointed out that the annual Jazz and Arts Festival would actually be right here at Pigeon Island. So if you can imagine, the stage bit would be right there, and then everyone will be jamming over here, and yeah, it's going to be such a good time. I feel that any festival here would just be very, very vibey, so definitely add it to your list. Good morning! So it is day 3 in St. Lucia. This morning I woke up really early and just got up, went to the beach, had a little beach walk, and it was absolutely lovely. So today on the itinerary, they're really teasing us out for this Jazz and Arts Festival launch. So that's on the Thursday, but all the days leading up to it, we're doing little bits around St. Lucia, which is incredible. So today, I believe that's a Catamaran tour. I have done one before in Malta, but obviously not in a Caribbean island. Let me know how you say Caribbean. I think that's the American Brit in me that's, doesn't even know how things are pronounced. If it's the British way or American way. But yeah, I have never done it in a Caribbean island, so very, very excited. Going to have some breakfast again and then off to the Catamaran. Okay, so we've reached the part of the Catamaran tour where we can see the Piton Mountains. They are 2 mountains that are deliriously famous in St. Lucia. You can see them right there. Okay, so we've just made a stop at the pier and it is raining. Caribbean style. Rain every now and then throughout the day. We're in Soufriere and we're going to head to a mud bath followed by a waterfall. So let's go and get out the rain.
box.
Okay, so we are in Sulphur Springs Park, and you cannot smell it, which is a good thing. Which is a really good thing for you, but for the rest of us, it definitely smells like sulfur. So we're gonna have a mud bath. Really good for your skin. Yeah, if you have eczema, mosquito bites, all sorts of things, it's really good to rub on yourself. So I'm gonna go to a mud bath, going to hold my breath for the smell of sulfur, but yeah, should be a really good time. Back to the boat. And now it's time for the moment we've been waiting for, the St. Lucia Jazz and Arts Festival. So it is a media launch, which means it's not the actual festival tonight, but it's a preview. It's going to be on TV, and the first chance for everyone in St. Lucia and the world to see the headliners and what's to come. Really, really exciting. I've got my little Caribbean dress that I found from a local market. And yeah, gonna head over and see what the night has in store. Alright, my lovelies, I'm going to leave you here. I hope you enjoyed coming to St. Lucia with me. Let me know if it's on your bucket list, and let me know if the Jazz and Arts Festival as well is on your bucket list. I will see you next time. Hope you have a lovely, lovely day ahead, and happy travels. Bye!